Hi, this is Don Brandt. I appreciate you spending some time with me today and watching this video because I've got a really great message for you. The message is you're never too old to make a change in your life. And to prove that, I want to talk to you about those two automobiles behind me. One's an old one, sort of like all beat up and a little bit ugly. And the same car right next to it actually has been fixed up. It's been refurbished. It's not new, but it looks pretty darn good. And that old car on the right sort of represents us, myself and yourself and a lot of our friends, family. That car represents what happens to us over a period of years and years and years. And it sort of gets a little bit like that because we don't do a very good job taking care of ourselves, because who are we taking care of? Well, we're busy taking care of the person we work with or for. Everybody's got a boss, everybody's got a manager, everybody's got an owner. So we're spending a lot of time at work. And if we're not spending a lot of time at work, we're spending time with our family and our friends. So 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, how much time actually do we spend on us? We sort of go through life and saying to ourselves, either out loud or internally, that's just the way it is. Can't do anything about that. That's just life. So the message I have for you today is that does not have to be your life forever and ever and ever. You can make some changes. So I'm just going to tell you a brief story, not going to go into a lot of details, but now I'm retired. I'm getting a little bit bored. I've sort of lost my purpose in life, and I want something to do so I can contribute back to society. And then I began to remember at the time I spent as a clinical hypnotherapist as a part-time practice, in addition to my work as a human resources manager for a large corporation, I help people stop smoking, respond to stress, etc., etc. So I said to myself, that sounds like something I should get back into during my retirement. But you know what? I had a limiting belief. The limiting belief was, I'm too old. Too old. So think about that. I'm not the only person that has limiting beliefs. Just think about all the people that you know that begin the sentence with, I can't. I don't know how. It costs too much money. I don't have enough education. I don't have enough time. So I went to see an EFT practitioner. EFT stands for Emotional Freedom Technique. And this person worked with me to build up my confidence and get rid of my limiting beliefs and allow me to today to have my own business as an EFT practitioner, helping people today just like I helped people many years ago. But today I'm able to do that virtually. I don't need an office. So I would love the opportunity to spend some time with you, your friends or family, to help anyone who wants to stop vaping, stop smoking, have more confidence, deal with stress, deal with anxiety. So if that's you or you know someone that needs some assistance, just look at, just subscribe to my channel, and my email, my webpage is donbrandt.com, donbrandt.com. Go to my website, learn more about what I do and what I can help you with, and I'll see you back again on the next YouTube video. Have a great day.